We just arrived in Cancun, Mexico, and we're going to be staying at an all-inclusive resort, Dreams Jade, for four nights and 5 days. So excited because it's my first time at an all-inclusive resort. He's not. And because it's my birthday, it's my birthday. So now we actually just got off the plane. If you guys saw the flight one that we just put up the video. So now we're going to do passport control, get our luggage. Then we have the shuttle from the hotel, the resort that's picking us up. But the shuttle's not included in the all-inclusive rate, interesting enough. So it's all-inclusive but not including the shuttle. But we booked the shuttle ourselves. So we're gonna show you guys everything. Cannot wait to explore the resort and just enjoy our time. I don't know why we're rushing like this. Yo, guys, being with a German, you're always rushing. Because now I'm out of breath. But anyways, guys, let's go do our passport control and let's get this party started. Guys, we got here. There were so many people. Everybody asking, do you need a taxi? Do you need a shuttle? Do you need this? Do you need that? Cheap taxi. And then obviously I had already been told by the agents that do not, let anyone convince you to go with them, yada, 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 and all of that. So yeah, so we walked out and there's so many shuttle services waiting for people. And they had our name. I'll show you guys. I took it with my phone, but they had our name and I was like, oh, they have our name. So now we're actually walking towards the shuttle. And they said we just give them this and then that's it. So we've just been walking now, just walk. But so far, it's hot. It's raining, but it's very hot. You guys can see there's so many of these services here. So our service is this one, MTS, I don't know. She said that we'll find somebody. And we've got somebody here. We get this big one to ourselves.
Be carefully.
Oh, guys, we've got this big shuttle all to ourselves. This is ridiculous. Huh? Like, guys, Tim is like, they gave him a whole bottle in 3 glasses because the glasses were like super full. And there's those fat round glasses.
Yeah. Drink cola like juice glass.
So now he's like, he's tired. He wants to sleep.
Smile now, it's arrived.
It's finally
Even after
in.
the second glass, I start to talk.
Oh my word, this man. But guys, this whole shuttle just for us, I feel like it's a waste, honestly.
Problem is with all inclusive, you pay, you have to do more.
Anyways, guys, we've got to fill in paperwork here and then we're already in the shuttle. But I feel like we should have taken a shared shuttle because it's like a full...
No, it's not us flying first class and take a share shuttle, no.
Then you meet people, you make friends. it's cold.
Yeah, it's a fresh towel.
Yeah. Yes. Look at all of these bags, guys. So many people. We made it to our room a couple of minutes ago. We just came in, took it in, and there's an echo here now. So now I want to show you guys the room. Honestly, on my side, right? I am. But now how are you going to see, babe? You want to turn it around. So we came in. On my first impression, right? When we were walking here, the place is so amazing. Babe, I'm trying to be serious. And you coming here, you making, guys, babe is making jokes behind the camera. But the place is so huge. It is massive. Like we walked and walked and walked. But anyways, let's show you guys the room. So this is the main entrance. Come from outside. Woo! It's quite windy. And then on this door, we have, come closer, love. We have our mini bar. Is there a light in here? No. So everything is, because it's all inclusive, so everything is included. It's fine, you can show the mini bar. I can talk. I think our luggage is here. Yes.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está? My name is Ivan. Welcome.
Hi, Ivan. Thank
May I
you.
come in, please?
Yes, you can.
Having 2 bags, right?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
This is your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. I don't know if somebody explained to you about the room.
No.
But I think so you see there's a small fridge right here. When the housekeeping cleans the room tomorrow, they restock this. But if you need, for example, to order a glass of champagne or water, you can call us number 0 and we can take care of you. You have the coffee machine here. Wi-Fi, you need just to connect to the room number. And you have the free access outside. You can connect to the Jade network.
Okay.
And it's free as well, on the password. The AC, it's important to know if the door it opens, the machine here, it doesn't work because the door opens.
Okay.
Now, for example, we can switch this temperature because the room is, the door is not open. And this is for the fan.
Okay.
Slow, speed,
Okay.
automatic. If the door, for example, that one it opens for a long time, it's gonna stop.
Yeah, change, yeah.
About the room service menu, you have to get the app.
Okay.
And with the cell phone. I think so. In the room key, there is a QR code.
Yes.
You can scan that and you can get the hotel app.
Okay.
And you can check information about the spa, room service menu, or restaurants menu. I don't know if the front desk explained to you, there is one restaurant. You have to make the reservation at the main lobby.
Ah, she said we don't have to make reservation.
Just one.
Oh, okay.
Just the
Hibachi.
that's the
Hibachi,
only one.
yes.
For example, tomorrow, if the restaurant it opens, you have to stop at the main lobby.
Okay.
There's a desk. It says food and wine. My coworker start to make the reservation at 3 o'clock.
Okay.
But I recommend you to be there 10 minutes or 15 minutes early because sometimes people
A
show
lot of
up there
people.
and wait for this guy.
Okay.
Okay, and you can get your towels. I know now it's raining, but when you go to the pool, you're gonna see the brown towels around the pool.
Okay.
You don't have to show any card, just grab the towels for you. There's a couple of towels here in the bathroom, but it's white towels. We recommend you only for
Inside.
the room. And what else? The safe. We recommend you to use for your passport, so maybe money. You can add your password, 4 numbers. It doesn't matter that you put your password, and it works for you. In case if
Okay.
you lock the safe, you can let us know number 0. If you don't remember the password, we help you to
Reset.
to reset.
Okay.
Right? I don't know. Is there anything else I may do for you? Any?
Do you have
Any
anything
question?
right now?
Okay. And you stay. My name is Ivan. Anything you need, please number 0.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
so
you,
much.
Evan.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Same to you. You still recording?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh my word.
So you don't have to explain anything.
Yeah, so Ivan already explained everything, but yes, so we have our bags, guys. So as soon as you get out of the shuttle or taxi or whatever you're coming with, they come get your bags. You saw, guys, and they gave us towels for our hands, and they give you a ticket for your bags.
You forget the champagne.
Oh, they give you a glass. Yeah. Oh, so when we got here, there was no champagne. So now the other guys come with a different shuttle. So we're standing at reception checking in. Baby's like, they got a shuttle, and then they got some champagne because I think he thought, oh, their shuttle special maybe or something.
The guy was just filling up.
Yeah. So the guy just came back and then brought it for us. Okay, come. So, babe, come.
I'm here.
Yeah, but you need to come show them here. So we have what's this? I thought it was caviar. It's coffee. So we have coffee here, complimentary coffee, water. Oh, I guess you need to use the bottled water for the coffee. Babe, not my big face. And then we have
Sodas.
yeah, we have sodas, we have beer, we have water. And like he said, we can just call reception if we want anything room service, and then they bring it for us. And then in here, we have our closet. So I brought slippers, right? I brought slippers. And they give us slippers here. So I didn't know that, but I'm happy about that. It's a closet, guys. We've got a blanket. And our favorite, I think this is like babe's favorite room because it's got a two of us can sit here together. But I'm too short, I can't even see outside. But the view is nice. It would be nice if like it goes all the way down and you can actually see like everything. But it's a jacuzzi tub, a swirl tub. And then we've got an amazing big shower where we can like have 50 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 feet by 3 feet.
21 people can fit in there. And then we have a toilet and come. My favorite thing, if we build a house, we're getting a bidet in our house. If we build a house from scratch, we need to get a bidet. But this is the bathroom, his and her sinks, my favorite things. I like, because yeah, I'm very finicky about that. And there's a dryer as well. So now come to the bedroom. Guys, what bed is this? Is this a king or a queen? A king? Let's do a bed test. Ouch, it's so hard, but it's soft. Like, it's hard, but it's soft. It's good for thingy. It's not a Hilton bed, as you would say. Babe would say that, but oh, cool thing. Come, babe. Babe, come. You're not a good cameraman.
Yeah.
9.
Best.
9. We have the cool charging, what is this? Magnetic charger. One side. So this will be babe's side, my side. Babe, don't make it like, you make me big in the video. And then you come down the stairs, guys. We have like a lovely living room area. Babe will always be sitting here. Babe will always sit here because he likes sitting. Instead of sitting at the couch. Your beer. And come. Last. This, guys, is the best view ever. Honestly speaking, I prefer this view. So this is the jungle room. I prefer this view over the sea view or the beach view, because look at this, there's a little river right there, and we have all of this nature, and it's a lot more quiet out here than on the other side. It is nice and quiet, and we can sit here, have drinks here. So yeah, guys, but this is our room, mini suite. I don't know what to call it because it's more than a room. Like, we can live here. We can have a stove here. This is our kitchen. We have a fridge, and that's it. That's all we need. So yeah, so now we're just gonna, what are we gonna do? I need to shower. We're gonna go out or what? Yeah, but we'll show you guys the grounds on a sunny day, not today because today is raining. So maybe tomorrow if it's sunny, we'll show you guys the grounds. But this is where we'll be for the next couple of days because it's my birthday. It's my birthday. There's actually a video I want Babe and I to do. I need to show Babe the video. So we'll see you guys when we show you guys the grounds. Or for breakfast or dinner. No. No, I think that will be another video. Cannot be a very long video. Guys, so we came back from lunch when we came early, and then we had this on the door. Look at this. And then now we just came back from dinner, and they did our turn down service. And oh, we got like some flowers on the bed. And look at this. Oh, I think this is the cutest. Some dessert. Happy birthday. Thank you, Dreams Jade Resort. Guys, yeah, so now we're gonna take a second bath of today. I tried to look pretty because apparently here you need to dress like there's a dress code for dinner. So I tried to look a bit pretty. Oh, thank you, baby. Is happy birthday too?
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, my love. I don't know why people smell flowers. They say smells good, but it doesn't smell good.
Eat your dessert.
No, I'm not gonna eat now. We're gonna go bath now. Guys, we'll show you guys the grounds tomorrow. Today it was just getting acquainted with the place, acclimated to the place. And yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna bath and yeah.